How's it going, guys? Sorry if you just got buzzed twice for my streams. Um, I had a problem in the last one. Okay, so let's try this again. So we are making our zombie attack game where you can shoot zombies, defeat them in waves, throw grenades at them and whatnot. Let's see, this might be cool. Oh yeah, there you go. Wipes out the zombie. So our latest thing, we're looking for gunshot sound effects. So I downloaded that one. I'm going to just let me hang on. Where is it? Let me find it real quick. Okay. Oh. Okay, there's a lot of sounds in here. Okay. Okay, so this one here is what I need to do. Hang on. Okay. So, let me just quickly... We're gonna say this. We're gonna create a new sprite. I'm gonna call it sound effects. And I'm going to go ahead and import this into there. Okay. So we're gonna go to our bullets and we're gonna say every time it's clicked. So we're gonna say this. We're gonna have it broadcast something here. Whenever the bullet actually starts to go, I'm gonna have it broadcast gun. That works. That works. Okay. And we're gonna say when I receive gunshot, and we are gonna create a clone of ourselves, and I will tell you why in just a second. So when I start this clone, and then we're gonna play this. So here's why I'm doing a clone rather than just saying when I receive gunshot, play this, because this runs separately for each clone. So for instance, if I just had this, each time I fire a new shot, it's gonna cut off. See, it cuts it off. Now, if I do it with cloning, now they're gonna all go at the same time. Or was I wrong? What? Hold on. Hang on. Hold on. I'm confused. Hold on. I could have sworn this was gonna... I don't know. I don't even know. Maybe I was wrong about the clone. That's okay. I'm wrong sometimes. Let's go ahead. I still need... I don't know. It just doesn't sound... It doesn't sound, very retro, I want it to sound retro, but I don't want it to sound sci-fi. Like, that's sci-fi. Like, I don't want sci-fi.
I didn't see that happening.
Oh, I didn't see that happen either. I don't understand. This could work, Let's Okay, let's see if this will work, you know? Why does it want my microphone? I'm sorry. I don't know what's happening with the audio. So I've found some kind of bug in my game. This happened a while back, and then I thought I fixed it. So we have our gunshot, and somehow, for some reason, it is getting in the way of the bullets doing stuff. So what if maybe I just need to instantly, whenever it decides to create a clone of itself, we're just gonna be like, boom, gunshot. The gunshot should be, how about the gunshot's the first thing? Yeah, but then it breaks the audio. Whoops. So instead of creating clones, because maybe that's just getting in the way of it all, we'll just do normal. Okay, there we go, there we go. That's good. Okay. I think that's good. Okay, that's good. Although, what? How can we? I want to edit that audio and make it just a little. Let's see. Okay, but when we get to, what is it? Oh, that's not good. We're gonna go back to our original audio. Once we get to wave 6, you get a fully automatic weapon. You get a fully auto one that can, I think it has 36 total rounds in it. So let's try that. Let me see real quick how that can work. Boom, boom. Okay, so close. We're gonna see what that sounds like, because we don't want to sound super bad. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Alright, weapon upgrade. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. Now, let's find a grenade. Browse sound effects. We're gonna say grenade.
Capturing command post.
Nope. Explosion. Okay, I like that. It's retro, it's an explosion. I think that's pretty good. We're just gonna say gunshot. Gunshot sound. Or let's just say sounds gunshot, and we'll say this can be sounds grenade. Alright. So let's go to our grenade. Here it is. Let's see. We're going to broadcast a grenade. Alright. Let's see. Let's try that. That sounded absolutely nothing. Okay, let's see. That was 100% it. I can guarantee it. Let's see. Okay, I like that. I like that. Now let's do the vortex mine. Let's do a sci-fi type sound effect. Okay, so we're looking for a sound effect that can go with this thing here, because what it does is whenever a zombie steps on it, it creates this big shockwave that wipes out every single zombie in the current wave. And let me just go to the next wave and I will show you guys how it works. So, okay, we have 4 zombies in. I need just one of them. I need one of them to step on it real quick. Come on, step on it. There we go. Here comes the shockwave, and it wipes them all out. So, now I need a sound for that. So, what if I just say space? Maybe there are some space sounds. Maybe. I think that could work. That or some kind of warping sound. I saw this. Too quiet, too quiet. Let's search warp. Too loud. Way too loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. I'm gonna do sounds, and we're gonna say vortex, and then we're gonna quickly add that in. And where is our vortex mine? We're gonna real quickly find where it does that. We're gonna say, okay, there we go. So we're gonna broadcast vortex, and when I receive vortex, we are going to play this sound. Let's see what that sounds like. Okay. I like that. I think that goes really good. And now we're gonna search up. It's not a coin sound. Hold on. I know. Wow. So loud. There might have been one on here. It might have been on here. Let me see. I remember there was one. It had. That sounds like Sonic. Okay, close to that one. Hi, hello there, He-Man YT. Currently looking for sound effects for this game. If you have anything that you would like me to show you how to code, I'm just kind of messing around on my game right now. I'm going to use this sound effect. But if you have anything you want to learn how to code or anything you need me to show you, feel free to ask. So I'm going to call this heart real quick. This will be the sound effect for the heart. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to say when I receive heart. And then we are going to do that. And then let's see. Okay. Repeat until touching player. How about this? We'll go into the player. Where does it change the hearts? Oh, it doesn't. It probably does it all here. What's my game idea? Let me show you. So it's called Zombie Attack. Pretty much it is a, just sort of a pixel game, and you shoot the zombies as they come. So since we are on wave 1, it only spawns 1 zombie, but then once we're on wave 2, it'll spawn 2, and then 3, it'll spawn 3, and so on. So let's see, you shoot the zombies. Once you've eliminated all of the ones in the wave, the next wave goes. So let's see, there we go, next wave, we're on wave 3. Here comes 3 zombies, and let's see. In the game, you have grenades, which will explode the zombies, and then you have these vortex mines, which will wipe out all the zombies. If a zombie steps on it, it'll create a shockwave that will pretty much wipe out all of the zombies in that wave. So I want one of them to step on it real quick. There we go. There we go. And I need to work on this because it's not exactly wiping out all of them. So, but real quick, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to get the sound effect. So I think right here is where I would do that. Let's see. I think that works pretty well. Okay, I got a fully auto now. Okay, no more zombies. Thank you for saying it's cool. I've been working on it a little while now, not too, but like I said, if anybody needs any kind of help, if you need me to look at one of your projects, or if you have any ideas or want to learn something, just let me know, and I will certainly help out with that. Oh, the noises. Have a grenade, but I forget the grenades can hurt me too, which, makes it a little more realistic. So, I mean, yeah, it's really a simple-ish concept. It's not super fancy or anything, but let's see. Okay. Alright, so honestly, the game is done. I just need to kind of fix a few things-ish, and then add some music in. And we can probably maybe have this glide to the middle of the screen, because what was I trying to say? For some reason, it gets too big to where it can't fill the whole screen. For instance, if it's over here. So what if I say this? We're going to say when it broadcasts vortex, and we'll just say when I receive vortex. Let's see how that looks. Nope, nope, not at all what I did. Oh, okay, I see. I'm going to try to undo that. There we go. Alright, when I receive vortex, let's see. When I receive vortex, we'll do that. Okay, we should be good. Let's go ahead and get to a higher wave. That way we have a lot more zombies, and that way you can sort of see how it really works. And yeah, so we got 4 zombies. We're gonna get you guys. Gonna go up here real quick. Okay, it's reloading. There we go. Alright. Okay, so we have our fully auto. Wave 7. Alright, we're getting some more zombies in here. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that. Come on, someone hit it. Someone hit it. I guess none of them are going to be hitting it. Oh, okay. That was... Okay, so I'm going to try to get somebody to do it. Someone do it. So close. We were so close to getting it to cover the whole screen. It just can't reach corners, is all. That's the big problem. Even if, I don't know. We were so close, though. And a little bit of work can get that to go just a tiny bit more. So we will work on that. I'm going to turn down this sound a bit so it's not super crazy loud. Because nobody needs that in their ears. Oh, whoops, I guess I should get off this so that it's not playing that. Okay. So, yeah, that's really... I just had to kind of show that. But does anybody have anything you would like to learn while I'm here? And I can just kind of do it live for you. That way, if you have any follow-up questions, we can work with that. If not, that's okay. There is no, like, we'll figure it out. So, let's see. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what else to do in this game. I will just add some music, but that's going to take a little bit to figure out if I need to make my music, if I need to search for it. But I think somebody wanted to make the music for this game, and that's okay. But other than that, I don't have anything else on this project that I need to do. I mean, here are some just of my other random projects I've kind of been messing with. Nothing too fancy. I mean, this here was just sort of an attempt at I was just kind of seeing what I could do physics-wise. And it does not do very well. That can just be a work in progress. But let me see what else I had. Space Pong. This was, well, let's see. That's a work in progress. Gun Run. That's nothing. I mean, Gun Run has the same character that I have for Zombie Attack. This was nothing crazy. This was just physics, What do I have that's different? I mean, Fruit Catcher. That's always a fun one. Let's see. I want to catch all the fruits. Okay. Don't catch the Cheetos. I think, right? What happens if I catch Cheetos? I believe if I catch something that's not fruit, okay, it's game over. Got it. I understand. Um, I mean, yeah, I don't know what else. Yeah, I don't know. Um, but yeah, I think that'll just kind of be it for this stream, guys. Thank you for those who were able to make it. Um, but yeah, just if anybody ever needs help with anything, it doesn't even have to be Scratch related. Just in general, you always can come to me. Um, but I hope you guys have a good weekend. And oh, Arya's fight. Let's show him Arya's fight real quick. Where's that? Okay, let me go in here real quick to see. Um, okay, right and left arrow. Okay, so let's see. This one, I think I was trying to sort of get Bowser's Castle vibes. You can't. Let's see. You can. You can move around. There's no animation yet. And then this guy comes in. So I still need to work on this. This was kind of. I sort of just abandoned this, sadly. Let's see what I can do. So the beast comes in. Let's see how this looks. So he comes in on his thing, and then roar. He might need to be bigger. It's not like crazy fancy or anything. It certainly has a lot of work to be done. Let's see how this looks. I like that a little better. Let's see. Do I have animations for this girl? Run one, run two, hit. Let's get rid of that. There. Okay. I'm gonna animate her real quick. We are gonna say, here, we'll do this. When right arrow is pressed, I'm gonna quickly set the rotation style to left and right. That way she doesn't sort of just 360 or anything. We're gonna point in the direction of 90, and I'm going to switch to run one. Actually, no, I'm gonna do this. Scratch that. We're gonna say when flag is clicked, forever. We'll do if then and else. We're gonna say if key, right arrow or left arrow is pressed. Else we're gonna just switch to idle for now. We're gonna switch to. We're gonna say, yeah, switch to run one. We're gonna wait. I'm gonna say point 15 seconds, and then we're gonna switch to run two. And then let's see. Let's say, yeah, when right arrow is pressed, point to direction 90, and then when left is pressed, we're gonna do negative 90. And so look, let's see. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now she's animated. There we go. I think that looks much better than, nothing. But I need some more animation. I think I had an AI create this here, these costumes, because I was like, I cannot. I'm not good with art. But so okay. I think I want it to be like Bowser's Castle, I that's honestly that's what I pictured was an epic boss battle between the big beast and then the main character. You know, we're gonna have him shut his mouth. Yep, shut that mouth, bro. That looks so bad, actually. That does not look clean at all. It does not look like natural in any way, is what I'm trying to say. Neither does that, but, oh well, we'll figure something out. Yeah, so I was gonna picture him, like blowing fire in a line that you have to jump over, a few times. And then, he starts doing it. Lava might rise a bit. Somehow get him to attack himself a few times in order to take damage from him. That's all I can think of in terms of how to make it seem like Bowser's Castle, kind of, And then I made there be like, low gravity. So, yeah, if anybody has any ideas, I can definitely try to put them into action. I'm trying to use the costumes that I have available at this time. What if I use... Hold on. I like this little fire guy down in the bottom, though. What if he, like, I don't know, summons this guy somehow. But real quickly, rather than... Let's see. Rather than this guy, no offense to this guy, I'm going to use him here. Sorry, buddy, you are gone. Let's see. Here he comes. Here he comes. Okay. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. So I just need to get rid of... I don't know. Of course, you have to be in a bitmap mode to erase things, sadly, from pictures at least. So yeah, that's Arya's fight. There's not much to it right now, but it's a work in progress. Things can improve for sure, and I want to get this game up and going, but there's just a lot of work I'm gonna have to put into it, which I'm more than happy to do. Costume 2. So, is there anything that can... trying to think, there's no just like idle pose where he's not just kind of like roaring and stuff. But what if he's like... What if we just kind of, seal up his mouth a bit? See, I'm trying to seal up his mouth, but it just doesn't... it's very obvious that someone's trying to seal up his mouth. I wish I could move his arm. I mean, again, these are... Oh, no, 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 no. What is this little guy doing here? You're not supposed to be here, sir. Let's kind of get rid of him. Okay, maybe I can try something like this. Let's... Cool, okay. So I'm gonna copy off his arm real quick. Gonna get rid of this part of it. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that we can have his arm like this, for when he summons, or have it out at least. I just need it to be out. It just doesn't look natural. Hardly looks natural, you could say. That looks a little better. We could do this. Because really, this guy in the background, right now, he is just part of the animation of it. He's not really doing much. So we'll say this. We're going to wait 2 seconds. And then we're going to have him switch to that costume. And nope, costume 3. And then I'm going to say we're going to have him broadcast Fire Guy. And the Fire Guy will be this guy. He'll be going back and forth and stuff, and you'll pretty much have to jump over him, not land on him. So let me quickly Fire Guy. Let me grab some of those for costumes. There's a costume. Let's see. There's a costume. There's one. Let's see what else. And then, okay. One more. So let's see how it looks. So we have Fire Guy here. I guess we can probably make him a little bigger, like this big probably. And let's see what the animation looks like as he goes through it. We can say when flag is clicked, and we'll do next costume, and we'll have him wait 0.15 seconds. So nope, not 3. How did I click 3? 0.15. Okay. That looks pretty bad on the Fire Guy. 0.1 seconds. What about just 0.1? Because it just doesn't look... It doesn't look natural. Now, what if we do some kind of effect that could possibly make it blend in a little better? Like, what if we are like... Gosh, I don't even know. What if I do ghost effect? Just sort of... And we have it pick anywhere between... We're going to say 10 and 50. Let's do a different effect. Okay, that was the wrong effect. Let's clear the graphic effects real quick. How about fisheye? Okay, that makes it a little more Brightness. I feel like that kind of works just a little bit. It's not super. What am I looking for? It's not like seamless. Like it doesn't blend in very well, you know? Like now if I were to maybe, I don't know. I feel like if I got him moving, it could look pretty well. So let's do this. We'll say when flag is clicked, we are going to hide. And we're going to say when I receive fire guy, we are going to go put him as far over here as I can. So, okay, we are going to go to 253 minus 104. I'm going to set the rotation style to left and right real quick. And we are going to say, when I receive fire guy, we are going to go there. And then I'm going to show him. And then I'm going to repeat 10. We're just going to repeat this 10 times. We're going to point in the direction -90. Glide. We're going to say 2 seconds to -253. And then go to 90 or 253. And let me show you what that does. So watch. Any second now. Hang on. Alright. It's gonna show. So he does his big roar. And then so you wanna jump over him. Ooh, okay. He is going really fast, I will admit. So I'm gonna do 4 seconds on that, and I'm gonna change the Y position to instead 110. Make it a little bit, here we go. Let's see how that looks instead. Okay, it's a little better. Now, look, parts like that, where you can very clearly see it cutting off, that's what we are going to have to work on getting rid of, like... So like this one isn't super bad. This one is pretty bad because you just don't want any of the edges to be completely flat because it looks completely, cut off, You don't want that. So we're just gonna, see, like this is the worst one. Okay. Okay. Let's see. It's better. It's better, I will say. No. It moves so fast compared to the player. The goal was to make the player super slow, slow moving, slow gravity and stuff, just to sort of, I don't know, give it, I don't know, just a heavier feel to the physics, But, so maybe it has repeated 10 already. I was not really counting, but I feel like that's good, don't you think? I mean, to me, it looks really good. like that. So we have our guy. I guess we can move Arya. Okay. He summons this guy. You gotta try so carefully not to hit. And of course, we can polish that costume a little more. So it's definitely possible to escape him. Ooh, it's so close though. Like, you gotta be so careful. Now, what if we added some motion blur to the fire guy? And how we can do that is, we can say when flag is actually, let me clean up the blocks. We're gonna say when flag is clicked, and we can forever create a clone of myself. And what we can do is we can say when I start as a clone, what we're gonna do is we are going to repeat 10, and we are gonna change ghost effect by 10. Change ghost effect by 10, and then we will delete this clone. Now let's see. Let's see how that looks, okay? We're gonna see... Okay. I like that. That looks really cool to me, if I'm being honest with you. I definitely 100% think that the cloning made it really cool. Or, yeah. The cloning, the motion blur, I think that added a good effect to it. Instead of repeating 10 times, though, we're going to repeat 5 times, because nobody needs to do that for, 8 seconds for each time? 8 times 80 seconds of that. Did I do that math right? Let me think. I don't know if I did that math right, but... Well, yeah, I think I did, because it's 8 seconds and it repeats that 10 times. So I think that's 80 seconds. So for over a minute, you're just sitting there jumping. And I know just like a minute doesn't seem too long, but it definitely feels like a long time when you're sitting doing the same thing over and over and over and over, you know. But yeah, I think that definitely is much better. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to end the stream here, but I will happily stream again very soon. I'm not sure when I can, but I'll make it work. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, good weekend. If you guys ever need help with anything, you just comment or, reach out to me somehow on Scratch. There's my user if you need it. And yeah, I will see you guys. I'll see you guys